All right, everybody, here's your Core Bites number 176. It says Don planted 8 tomato plants in each of his 12 pots. How many tomato plants did he plant? So if you multiply 8 plants in each pot, 8 times 12 would give you a total of 96 plants. How do you write this number in words? So you would write, in word form of course, 9,000,000, comma, 704,040. So the entire number is 9,704,040. That's how you would do it. Which fraction can be simplified? So that would be 12/15 because you can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. Sorry. Oh, yeah, because 3 times 5 is 15. And then for 4, it says a decade is how many years? So we know that a century is 100 years. A decade is 10. And then true or false? All pentagons are parallelograms. The answer here would be false because a pentagon has 5 sides. Parallelograms have 2 sets of parallel sides. The pentagon's lines would actually intersect if they all could go on and on. So that would not be true. All right, guys, check yours.